Hey Facebook, I'm back out here at the lake. We didn't catch nothing. We just tore up all our poles. So the boys are fishing right now. Say hey, what's up?
Hello.
Hey Joshua, say what's up.
Bye.
Connor, say what's up. Connor, you on live video. Say what's up to the people. To the world. Well, that's Connor over there refusing to say what's up to the world. And we just out here enjoying this peaceful Sunday. You know, we were fishing, but we ended up just going swimming as we popped the lines on everything. You see all these trees around here. Easy to get snagged up on everything. But after the boys done swimming, let's see, they want you to come on camera. They want y'all to come on camera. Hey, y'all say hey. They asking to see y'all.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Sam. So, this is me. This is Papa Giles over here. So,
Giles, I'm gonna go underwater.
So we're all out here just enjoying this early morning. When we get back, we're gonna go back to the site and make some breakfast. Didn't bring no grits, so we'll have eggs and breakfast sausage. You know, I'm country boy. I like my grits with everything. So that's all we're doing. We'll probably go back later. Hopefully the fish will still be biting when we get back to the campsite and make our breakfast and stuff, get our poles fixed. And we come back out here and go fishing. Also too, while y'all checking me out live, y'all go check out my website as well. Y'all know I'm always gonna plug the site. You got that business idea or that domain that you wanna get up and running, go to my website and register your domain. Website is www.regionalitservices.com. See, look, sundayswimming.com. There you go. I just gave you a domain to go register. Go and put that page up and put all the good lakes to go swimming in Texas. There you go. Just gave you $1 million idea. All I'm asking you to do is register your domain using my website. Our website, the company website, www.regionalitservices.com.
I'm not sure.
And there go the boys. I'm starving to death and they're still swimming. If I was swimming in that lake with no food in my stomach, I would drown from lack of energy and hunger. But anyways, I just wanted y'all to tune in real quick, show y'all what we're doing. I'll go back live later on after we eat breakfast and hopefully when we catch some fish. But all right, folks, don't forget to visit the website, www.regionalitservices.com.